Good day, everybody. Good day, everybody. Claim them again here. Let me welcome you guys back to the channel. Of course, if you're watching from my WhatsApp as well, welcome as well. Guys, I've received a lot of cases where people are paying the wrong people. They think it's me and they get scammed. One lady called me about 30 minutes ago telling me that they've realized that they've been scammed. How did they realize? You know, when you buy my robot, right underneath, there's my number. There's my WhatsApp number. She compared that number to the number that scammed her. They were not corresponding. That's how she knew that she got scammed. Then she contacted me on that number on WhatsApp. Then we realized that she got scammed. I quickly advised her to go and open a case to the nearest police, right? Go and open a case. And then she confirmed that the guy that scammed her is a South African. So if you are actually a scammer and you're watching this video, be on alert that you are actually in trouble. I've made a point to say she must bring every evidence that she has. I will compile it and I'm going to expose you. Whoever you are, I'm going to expose you. Everybody will know about you because you are stealing my work. You are stealing my work and you are scamming people in my name. You are ruining my reputation. I can even go further to even open a case against you because you are actually defaming my name. That's a defamation of character. You don't know what you're messing with because fraud is a very, very serious case. You are taking people's money, hard-earned people's money, and you are turning it into a joke. You think you are clever, but you are putting yourself in trouble. You are looking yourself in a cage where you can't actually go out. You didn't know, like you are very stupid because you can't even see that the robot has my number and you can't change it because you are not an IT guy. You know nothing about trading. You know nothing about programming. You can't change that number there on the screen. If I were to open my robot now, you would see, guys, you would see those that have my robot, they know on the screen there's my number, and that number you can't change it. That's how I know that this person is actually stupid, because the people that he or she is scamming, they end up getting me, which is the rightful person who owns the robot, the author of the robot. So guys, this is my advice to you. Before making any purchase, make sure you video call and confirm that you're speaking to the right person. That is the only way that you can actually be safe. Video call me on this WhatsApp number, the one that you see down below on the screen. Verify that you're speaking to the right person before proceeding with any kind of payments. And that's how you can be safe. If you've already been scammed, go to your nearest police platform, police station. Open a case of fraud. Open a case of fraud against that person so that you can get your money back. That's what it takes. Guys, I wanted to make sure that I alert you because this is a very, very, very serious matter. You can't go on like this. The online world is a very, very dangerous platform. Be safe, guys. Be safe. That's all I'm asking for. Be safe. Anyways, guys, I'm going out now to install a robot for a client. So if you guys are interested in getting the robot and you want me to install it for you, you can actually come over. We can meet at a certain place and I can install it for you. If you are very far, then we have to use either AnyDesk or we have to use what do you call this? How do you call this other one? Even forgot because I'm always using AnyDesk. TeamViewer. Yes, AnyDesk or TeamViewer. But preferably AnyDesk. So we can get it set up for you. Immediately, quickly, everything gets set up and everything. So you can start making money. Right now, guys, we are currently running a discount for 1,500 rands, which is $90. So guys, make sure you take advantage of it and make sure you get yourself a copy and get up and running and start making money. So guys, we'll see you on the next video. For now, let me quickly go and set up the robot for a client of mine that I'm meeting. Yeah, see you guys. So it really pains me to see people getting scammed. Someone who is a scammer will never agree to meet to anyone. As you can see, guys, we're busy installing here. We are busy installing here. These scammers out there, they will never agree to meet you guys. They will never agree to meet you guys. But this is what I do. This is my job. I'm not afraid of anything. My robot works. My robot is perfect. I can meet anyone anyway. So that's what it talks, it says, about me. It says that I'm actually a legitimate guy. You don't have to take it for my words. You can actually see my work and everything. So as you can see, guys, we're installing a robot for my clients here. As you can see, I'm showing him actually what you need to do, all the numbers that he needs to punch in. That's why you need to get the robot from the right guy, and that's all it takes, guys. Make sure that you don't get scammed by all these nonsense that is happening in the online space. As you can see, guys, we are actually halfway through. It's beautiful work. It's beautiful work. As you can see, guys, he's as I was saying, he's mastering everything that I'm showing him. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm dealing with a lot of different kinds of ages. So it doesn't matter whether you are 16, 15, or you are 70, 80. It doesn't matter. For me, I deal with anyone, any race, whatever. It doesn't matter. For me, I help you make money, and that's my job, guys. As you can see, we are done with everything here, and I'm showing him everything that he needs to do, and everything looks perfect. It's a fast learner as well. So yeah, guys, it doesn't matter what experience you have. If you have me by your side, and I'm gonna be able to assist you. Remember, the robot is 1,500 rands right now, which is $90 for all internationals. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity. As you can see, we're done installing. We are done installing. $90 for all internationals, 1,500 rands for all local clients. As you can see, beautiful work, guys. And we are done. Text me on WhatsApp, guys. My WhatsApp number is down below on the screen. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that's about it. So guys, if you guys are interested in getting the robot, make sure that you contact me on this WhatsApp number. Sorry, there's no light, but I was just going through my work and everything. So yeah, guys, make sure that you contact me on WhatsApp so we can get you up and running. Remember, I can install for you via any desk, or I can install for you face to face. So it's all up to you which option you prefer. But right now, for the next 7 days, the robot is 1,500 rands, $90. After that, we'll close down the specials, close down the discounts, we'll go back to the original price of 3,500 rands, which is $200 for all internationals. So guys, make sure you don't miss this opportunity, because an opportunity that comes once in a very long time, and that's all it takes. So make sure that you also have a laptop and internet access. We can get you up and running. We can get you started. Not a problem at all. It's my job to make sure that you guys become profitable traders. And that's what I do. So make sure that you contact me on my WhatsApp line down below on the screen. Don't be scammed, guys. This is my only WhatsApp line. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.